Hello, everyone. It is me, the rat. Look around. I've stolen Adam's computer, and I can't wait to tell you all sorts of gossip about him. What is gossip, you might ask? It's mean things about persons or people behind their back, and now it's coming at Adam with my whipness. Do you know that he smells? He's dumb. He's stupid. Even more than that, he doesn't even like you children. Ha 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 ha. Oh.
Mr. Rat, are you spreading gossip about me?
Oh, why would I do that? Woo, who's telling lies about poor me? Everyone blames the rat.
I heard you telling my friends right there those things from your own mouth.
Okay, fine. I was trying to shred your character. No one likes you. You don't even belong here. Oh boy.
You dirty rat. It's time for you to scat. Friends, that's gossip. When you're talking lies about someone behind their back, or you are attacking their character, or just saying mean things to try to get the people listening to not like someone, that's called gossip. It's not cool. Don't do that. Don't be a dirty rat. You are wonderful people. You're wonderful kids. I love working with you. And that was a lie against what I think inside and how I act. I care about you guys. You guys are not.
Oh, you're still here. Time to go.
That's right. It is time to go. All right. It's my turn to go too. Don't be a dirty rat. No gossip. Have a good day.